Y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making juicy grilled chicken and jalapeno lime chipotle sauce. So here I have my fresh chicken in 2 Ziploc bags. I just smashed them down to help them cook evenly, so that's why they are flat. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil. That helps it when you are smashing them down, and also season with some sea salt, black pepper, and chili powder. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. So I'm just going to rub that in very well and season each side. After that, I'm going to make sure it's closed tight with no air in it. Let it marinate for a good hour and move on. Now for your chicken, you can use any seasoning you would like. Season it to your liking. This is just a basic seasoning for a little bit of flavor and also the color. That's where you get the chili powder. That's where the chili powder comes in. And then, like I said, the sauce has all the flavor. So I went ahead and steamed some New Mexico chili peppers. This is going to give it some great flavor. I'm just going to blend that a little bit. And next, we're just going to add in some fresh sour cream. Some people use mayo. You can use different stuff, fresh jalapeno, lime juice and stuff, but I'm using what I had. So I created this awesome chipotle type of sauce, and it's so good. Now here I'm just adding some Cajun seasoning for a little bit more heat. And next I'm going to add in this awesome jalapeno lime rub that I got from Spiceology. I will have that listed down below as well. I'm going to blend this together, and then we're going to keep that to the side covered until it's Now I preheated my grill. I am going to cook this on direct heat. Since they are flat, they will cook pretty fast, so you don't need to cook this too long. I am going to have it on there for about 1:45, and then I'm going to turn it to 45-degree angle to get it some good grease marks, some good grill marks, and then I'm adding some oil on top to help that sear even more. Once those 1:45 is up on each part of the chicken, I'm going to flip that and do another 1:45, and then flip it again 1:45, put it on indirect heat. Next I'm going to glaze my sauce on top, close it up, let that smoke for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Check it and make sure it's fully cooked. Eat it with anything you like, and it's done.